So students, in today's class we will discuss from this. I have given one homework for you now. In that choose the correct answer. Last one is remaining. I said to do the homework. Okay. How many of you did that? This is numbers up to 10,000. No? Yes, this is numbers up to 10,000 in page number 80. This is of 3rd standard, I think. Yes, yeah. So in that choose the correct answer in page number 80, last one is remaining. What is that? The place value of the digit. The place value of digit 2 in 825 is 825 is how much? What is the place value of 2 is dash. First option is 200, second option is 20, third option is 2, fourth option is 0. So this is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. No, 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 2 into the number into the place. This is number, this is the place, because it is in tens place. No, that's why you have to write 10. If it is in hundreds place, if 2 would be in 100 place, what will be the answer? 2 into 100. This is the place. Okay, so 2 into 10, how much? 20. So what is the answer? B. 20 is the place value of 2 in the number 825. Like that you have to remember. If he is asking place value, what you have to do? Take that number, what he is asking here, digit 2 he is asking, no? So take 2. 2 is in which place? Tens place, no? 2 into 10, multiply, you will get the answer, the place value. Okay. So what is the answer? Answer is 20. Right. Okay. With this we have completed the pick the correct answer, and let us move to the 4-digit numbers. That is your next topic. Okay. 4-digit numbers. Okay. 4-digit numbers means up to thousands you will get ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, up to thousands you will get. So we have already known that the greatest 3-digit number is how much? We have already discussed, no? 3-digit number, greatest one means where the 3-digit numbers are getting ended. Ending number, starting number is the smallest, ending number is the greatest, I said, no? So by this time you have known what is the greatest 3-digit number, that is 999. Previously also we have discussed this. If you didn't remember, once again recall. Okay. So this is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay. If you are adding 1 to this number, up to here only 3 digits number we can see. After that you will be getting 4-digit numbers. 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 1000. So from here 4-digit numbers are starting. This is the starting number of 4-digit numbers. No, this is the smallest 4-digit number. Just only simple trick, smallest number in that digit, in that given digit, smallest number is the starting number. Starting number is the smallest number, ending number is the greatest number in that given digit only. Smallest 4-digit number. Okay. This is the smallest 4-digit number, 1000. Okay. So here we are going to discuss about 4-digit numbers. So you will be getting up to 1000. So just now if we have added, no, plus 1, what you got? 1000. Okay. So this number is called 1000. Up to here you will get hundreds, but from here you are going to add, you are going to get one more digit, that is thousands digits. So ones, tens, hundreds, one more place here for you it is adding, so this is thousands place. So that's why this number is called 1000. Here also I am saying once again, look at here carefully. Ones, tens, hundreds, you know up to here, but here one more digit is adding for you, new digit. So this place is called thousands place. You will represent it with TH. Okay, that's all. So we have talked about the smallest 4-digit number. What is that? The smallest. The smallest 4-digit number is what? Is 1000, no? Just now we have discussed how 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number, because from here only 4-digit numbers are getting started. That's why it is the smallest 4-digit number. What is the greatest 4-digit number? Means where the 4-digit numbers will end. The greatest 4-digit number is, so I will write here. So 9990, okay, 9991, 9992, 9993, okay. 99,000 means you will get one more digit here, but here it is up to 4 digits only, no? We are talking about 4-digit numbers, no? So see here, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and this is thousands place. Only thousands only you are getting, up to thousands only, okay. So 9900, so this is called, you can call it as 9990, or you can call it as 9990. Mostly we will say it 9990. 9990, 9991, 9992, 9993, up to you will get up to 9999, 9994, 95, 96, you will get up to 9999. After that you will get, if you are adding plus 1 to here, you will get 10,000, no? Means this is a 5-digit number. So from 10,000 the 5-digit numbers are starting, but up to here only 4 digits are there. So this is the ending number for 4-digit numbers. This 9999 is the ending number for 4-digit numbers. So what will it become? The greatest 4-digit number is what? Here only 4-digit numbers are ending, no? So this will become the greatest 4-digit number. From here 5-digit numbers are starting. So what this will become? This one. So from 10,000, after 9999 you are adding 1. So you will get what? 10,000. Okay. From 10,000 only 5-digit numbers are starting. So what I said, for that given digit, whether 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, okay, for the given digit the starting number is called the smallest number, no? I said before only, from here 5-digit numbers are starting. Here the given digit is 5. We are speaking about 5-digit numbers. So from 10,000 5-digit numbers are starting. Up to 9999 it is 4-digit only. But after this number you are getting this. Adding 1 means you will get, after this number you will get this number, no? If you are adding plus 1. Okay. Adding means just after. I said after means plus 1. So after this one you will get this. After this number you are getting this. Means you are adding plus 1. So you will get this number. Okay. After 1 you will get 2, no? Like that only. After 9999 you will get 10,000. Okay. So from here only the 5-digit numbers are getting started. Up to here only 4 digits are there. But from here only 5 digits are starting. So this is the starting number for 5-digit numbers. Okay. So what we can write? What is this number? 5-digit number. Which one? Greater or smaller? smallest 5 digit number. This is the smallest 5 digit number. The smallest 5 digit number is what? 10,000. 10,000. This number is called 10,000. Okay. So here you are having ones, tens, hundreds, thousands only, no, for 4 digit numbers. For here what you are getting? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. One more digit here it is adding. What is that place? 10,000s. In 4 digit numbers you will have up to thousands only, but in 5 digit numbers you will have up to 10,000 places. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, like that you should remember. Okay, and in further classes you will get lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, like that you will get. Okay, so remember these things. Once again, if you don't understand, once again see the video. First of all, what you have to do is, while I am teaching, don't write the notes. Listen to the class very carefully. After completion of the video, once again open the video, and if you want to write the notes, write the notes. Okay, but at first you have to listen the video, then you have to again open the video and write the notes if you are interested. Okay, definitely you should write the notes. Don't skip the notes. Okay, so let us see here. We know that ten ones equal to 10. Is it clear? 10 ones means 10 number of ones equal to 10. If I want to write in word form, 10 ones is equal to 110. Here 10 is there. 10 ones means 10 number of ones. I am saying 5 chocolates, no? If I am saying 5 chocolates, how many number of chocolates? 5 number of chocolates. Here also 10 number of ones. So what I am saying, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones are there. That's what I am saying. 10 ones means 10 number of ones equal to 10. Okay, so instead of writing like this very big, what I can do? So 1 is the number. How many you want? 10, no? 10 number of ones you want. So 1 into 10 equal to 10 into 1, no? So instead of writing like this big line of ones, so what you have to do? 10 number of ones equal to 1 number of 10. Okay, so how many ones are there here? 10 are there. How many are there here? 10. Which one? Ones or twos? Ones only, no? So that's why I wrote ones is equal to, after adding this all, how many tens you got? Only 110, no? So that's what I am representing. I am representing the number first. How many are there? Number of, this is the number. So here 10 ones are there. That's why I wrote 10. Number I wrote. Okay. Number of ones. Okay. 10 means here 10 ones are there, no? Number of ones. How many? 10. Into which number? Are these ones or twos? Ones. So number of ones into 1. Okay. You will get, after adding all this, what you got? 10. How many number of tens you got? Only 1 number of tens, no? So this is number of tens. Instead of writing all this, I wrote number into 1. So here 10 number of ones are there, no? That's why I wrote 10 here, means number into 1. which digit is there? 1 or 2 or 3? You are having 10 ones, no? 10 into 1 equal to, after adding all this, what you got? 10. How many number of 10s you got? One number only, no? So that's why I am writing the number first and then the digit next. Okay, number of 10s is how much? Here only 1 10 is there, no? If you are having 10 plus 10, that is 2 number of 10s, but here only you got 1 10, no? So 1 into 10. Okay, that's what he is saying in the statement. We know that 10 ones is equal to 110. 10 ones is equal to 110. Okay, so I have just now I said in terms of numbers. Now let us see in terms of boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 boxes are there. Okay, if you are come here, individual boxes, how many? 1 1 1 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What is the value of each? Only one. Small box, no? 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 boxes are there. If you are combining all these, what you will get? So here each box value is 1 only. Only 1. Small box, no? 1 only value. But if you are combining all these, what you will get? Let us see. We will get a bigger box. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. If you are combining all these small boxes, here each box value is 1. Each box value is 1. So all ones you have combined, so you got a bigger box. So this bigger box value has how many small boxes? This total is a bigger box. So this total we will consider. Okay, so this bigger box contains how many smaller boxes? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the value of this bigger box is 10. Okay, so here value of smaller box is 1. If you are combining all these, here 10 boxes are there, no? I am combining all these boxes, I got a bigger box. The value, this total box is 10, but here the value of small box is 1. I am combining all this to get this. So whenever you see this bigger box, count how many boxes are there in that. So that will become the value. So see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 smaller boxes are there, no? So the total value of this total box is 10. Whenever you see this box, you should understand that the value of this box is 10 after counting how many number of boxes are there. Okay, like that you have to remember. These are small cubes. Okay, I have represented it with square because it takes lot of time to draw all the cubes. Okay, 10 cubes are there. Okay, so all these smaller boxes, each value is 1. If you are combining all this, you got a bigger box, like a building, like an apartment it is there, no? So its value is 10. Okay, because you are having 10 in that. So that's what the meaning. Here 10 ones, here we wrote 10 small boxes, 10 small boxes like this. If you combine all of these, how much you got? You got a bigger box. How many bigger boxes you got? Only one box, no? That's why we said 110. Okay, this total number value is 10. And how many are there such type of boxes? Only one. Okay, that's what the meaning of this statement. This statement is completed. Clear with you? I have said in terms of numbers, I have said in terms of boxes also, for your clear understanding. Okay, so with this we will conclude our class. So in next class we will continue from page number 81 only. Okay, so once again go through what I am saying. Once again read all those match the following, or there no ticks. 1 to 10, match the following, page number 80. Not match the following, it is choose the correct answer, tick the correct answer. In page number 80 you are having all these. So try to understand them, don't mug up the answers, try to understand what he is asking, read the questions carefully. So up to today's class, up to this, we know this 10 boxes are there, no? Smaller boxes 10 equal to bigger box 110. So up to there you have to understand, you have to read once again and come to the next class, okay?